Hello, kids. I'm fire. I am bright, warm, and full of energy. What I can do? Give light. I help you see when it's dark. Keep you warm. I make cold nights cozy. Cook food. I help bake bread, roast marshmallows, and cook yummy meals. How I start? I can begin when something hot, like a match or spark, touches something that can burn, such as dry wood or paper. Staying safe. Never play with matches or lighters. Always have a grown-up nearby when I'm around. If you ever see me where I don't belong, tell an adult or call for help. Fun fact. I'm not alive, but I need air, fuel, and heat to keep burning. If you take one of these away, I go out.